The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at a hacked or a hijacked YouTube channel. Now, hacked and hijacked are used interchangeably by YouTube. Basically, it amounts to the same thing. When a YouTube channel is hijacked, it means the Google account that it belongs to has been hacked. And while the recovery flow for a hacked Google account is completely do it yourself and only you and you alone can go through it, when it comes to a hijacked YouTube channel, you may be able to get support from YouTube. And the first thing that you might come across is this particular help article. And as usual, I will give you the links to these articles in the video description below. This particular article actually has a video that you could watch. And you can also have a chat with the Hack Channel Assistant, which is a sort of automated process to steer you in the right direction for taking action. So have a look at the video. I would seriously recommend it that you do, and then have a read through this information. You will see that there are 3 steps to recovery, and the first one should be recovering and securing the hacked Google account associated with the YouTube channel. Now, that's not always possible, and that is quite often why we end up doing the research that we do into the hijacked YouTube channel thing. So there is a form that you need to be able to access, and if you have regained control of your Google account and you are a YouTube partner, then the form that you will see is this one here. It is an extremely long form, and I shall just scroll through it very quickly for you. And this is the way that you report the hijacking to YouTube. Once you submit the form, YouTube will be able to investigate the hijacking. If you are not a YouTube partner, or you are one, but you haven't actually regained access to your Google account, this is what you will see. You will see that you can't access the form, and it may be that you're not signed into the right account. Well, obviously you're not. If you haven't regained control over the partnered Google account, then you can't be signed into the right Google account. And the reference to the 48-hour window has passed. That is when you are not able to sign into the partnered Google account and you ask YouTube support or Team YouTube to give you access to this particular form, you are only whitelisted for 48 hours. So you have to make sure that you complete the form that I showed you in the previous page within the 48 hours. Finally, have a careful look at this last sentence here. Get more information on how to recover a hacked YouTube channel, or contact the person who sent you this link. The person who sent you this link should actually be somebody from Team YouTube. So if you got in touch with them over Twitter, which is the preferred way to do this, then get back to them over on Twitter and let them know that you've run out of the 48 hours and you need them to resend the form. Finally, there is one other form that is available, and it is not one that is easily accessed, and I suspect it may actually be one that comes to you via the automated hijacked channel assistant. And again, this is a form that you complete. It achieves very similar things to the very long form that I showed you. In this case, you will see that it is very much shorter, and you will be asked to provide your YouTube handle. Now, your YouTube handle is the bit that comes after the / and then the @ symbol. It is not your unique channel ID, which is this very complicated set of 16 digits, and it is also not any different kind of custom URL. And of course, you'll be asked to let them know whether you are actually signed into the primary email address. And with primary email address, they mean the Google account owner. So as I said, I'll give you the links to all of these pages in the video description below and ask that you have a look at them. Any questions, please reach out to the product experts over on the YouTube help forum, and obviously the link for that is also in the video description. All the best, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.